Most men think intimacy starts in the bedroom, but the truth is it begins long before that. And if you are a man over 50, this matters more than you realize. Because at this stage of life, intimacy is not about speed or performance. It is about presence, intention, and the quiet details that make her feel something she cannot easily explain or forget. There are specific places on a woman's body that, when touched with real intention, can awaken something deep inside her. Not just desire, but trust, safety, and a bond that stays with her long after the moment has passed. Today, I want to share 3 of those places with you, spots most men walk right past. And then I will show you some riskier spots that hold extraordinary power when trust is already there. Stay with me until the very end because I have something for you that goes much deeper than this video alone. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, urologist and intimacy coach for men over 40. How old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. The first spot is what I call the burden point. Not a grab, not a squeeze. I mean the deliberate full placement of your palm in that curved space just above her hips. This is one of the most emotionally loaded areas of the human body, and most men either rush past it or never consider it at all. Here is why it matters. That area carries weight, not just physically, but emotionally. It is where tension settles after a long day, where stress lives when she has been holding everything together. When you rest your hand there slowly, with your full palm, with warmth and stillness, you are saying something that goes far beyond touch. You are saying, I've got you. You don't have to carry this alone. Neuroscience tells us that deliberate warm touch on the lower back activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for calm, safety, and trust. It literally slows her heart rate and tells her nervous system she is protected. Here is where men over 50 have a real advantage. A younger man places his hand there as a reflex or a move. You know how to be still. When you rest your palm there with full intention and hold it, she feels the difference. That stillness is not passivity. It is power. Imagine walking beside her, standing together in a room, and placing your palm there quietly. No agenda, just presence. Watch how she leans toward you. That is her nervous system responding to yours. The second spot is her hands. Specifically, the act of covering her hand completely with yours and drawing your thumb slowly across her knuckles. I know this sounds simple. That is exactly why most men underestimate it completely. Research on touch and bonding shows that deliberate hand contact releases oxytocin and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, by as much as 20%. When you take her hand with intention, you are not just being affectionate. You are chemically reducing her anxiety and increasing her sense of connection to you at the same time, but it is the intention that separates this from something ordinary. There is a world of difference between absently holding someone's hand and slowly covering it with yours as if it is something you genuinely want to hold. Try this. During a conversation, place your hand fully over hers. Not a quick grab, a slow, deliberate covering, then draw your thumb gently across her knuckles. Stay there. What that communicates is something younger men rarely understand. It says, I choose you, quietly, without needing anyone else to see it. For men over 50, this carries even more weight, because you are not making gestures to impress. You are making them because you mean them, and she can feel that difference. Sincerity has a texture, and women are extraordinarily good at reading it. The third spot is her face. Specifically, the act of cupping her jaw gently in both hands. This is the most intimate thing on this entire list, and I want you to understand exactly why. The face is the most protected part of the human body. Instinctively, we guard our faces. We turn away. We deflect. Allowing someone to hold your face in their hands is one of the most vulnerable acts a person can offer. It says, I trust you with the most guarded part of me. When you cup her face slowly in both hands, thumbs resting near her cheekbones, and simply look at her before doing anything else, you trigger something neurologically powerful. Research on mirror neurons shows that face-to-face touch creates immediate emotional synchronization. Her breathing slows to match yours. The bond formed in that moment is unlike almost anything else, but it requires total confidence and total stillness simultaneously. No hesitation. No rush toward what comes next. Just the pause, just that look. For men over 50, this is where life experience becomes your greatest asset. You have earned the quiet confidence it takes to hold that moment. Younger men rush past it. They do not yet understand that this pause is often more intimate than anything that follows. Now let me talk about the riskier spots, places that hold remarkable power, but only when trust is already established. The base of her spine just above her hips. A slow, intentional touch here communicates desire without impatience. It is warm and present. The inside of her knee. Most men never consider this. The skin here is unexpectedly sensitive, and the surprise of being touched somewhere so overlooked creates a response that is entirely its own. It works precisely because she did not expect it. And her shoulder blade, tracing slowly across the back of her shoulder, communicates a quiet belonging, not control, but I know this part of you that the world does not see. These are not places to reach for early. They are places to discover slowly when she already feels chosen and safe. And one more. It is not a touch exactly, but it carries the same weight. Rest your forehead gently against hers. This is not a kiss. It is quieter and in many ways more profound. When you press your forehead softly against hers and simply stay there for a moment, you are saying something words rarely reach. I see your mind. I am here with all of you. It creates a sense of being truly known. And being truly known is what every woman is ultimately seeking. Here is the truth. Intimacy for men over 50 is not about speed or technique. It is about presence, patience, and the quiet confidence to pay attention to what most men walk straight past. The burden point, her hands, her face, the riskier spots when trust is there, the forehead when words are not enough. These are not just touches. They are messages. I see you. I choose you. I am here completely. If this speaks to you and you want to go deeper, I created something specifically for you. The all-in-one Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. Practical strategies and deeper insights designed for men over 50 who want to build real, lasting connection. You will find it linked in the description and pinned comment below. Before we wrap up, I want to share something a lot of my viewers ask me about. What natural supplements actually deliver real results for men's health? After looking at the research and seeing what works with my clients, I have narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. All natural formulas backed by science, selected to work together. All linked below in the description and pinned comment. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Drop your age and where you are watching from in the comments below. As men age, this is not the end. It is a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I will see you in the next video.